Hi students, Miss Bird here. In this lecture, we are going to be talking about energy, food, and photosynthesis. So, we as animals, as human animals, we need energy to move and grow and be healthy. Every movement and function of the body requires energy, from actively running to keeping your heart beating to thinking or even dreaming. All of those movements and functions require energy. Well, what do animals and humans use to gain that energy? We get energy from food. Food is our fuel, and it contains stored energy. Pause and take a note. So much like gasoline being burned in an engine is what makes a car go, food is what makes us go. Food is broken down in our bodies, and its stored energy is released in a way that makes us able to move and function. Food is what makes us go, keeps us alive, and keeps us working. Pause and take a note. Your parents have probably told you that you need to eat your food and your veggies so that you can grow big and strong. Well, food isn't just to help you grow, because otherwise adults wouldn't really need to eat anything. We've stopped growing. But of course, you see adults eat all the time because we need food too. Why? Well, it's because most of the food we eat is used for fuel or energy. You can see there 90% of the food we eat is used for fuel, and only 10% is used for growing and repairing tissues. Pause and take a note. And is it okay to say that we eat food and we turn it into energy? Think about that for a second. No, that's not okay. It's not okay because we're not turning it into energy. What are we doing? We're just transforming the form of energy from food, a chemical source, to motion or mechanical energy. Well, what sorts of things do we eat that we transform into our fuel? One big category is plants in the forms of fruits and vegetables. Well, how do plants grow? They need an energy source too to be able to grow, and so then we can eat them. What is their energy source? If ours is food, what is it for plants? If you were thinking sunlight, you would be correct. Plants use light energy from the sun in order to grow. This is called photosynthesis, something you might have learned before. But again, is this light energy being turned into the sugars that the plant uses to grow itself? No, of course not. Again, it's just light energy being transformed to a different form of energy for that plant to be able to grow. There you have it. Now you know about food, energy, and photosynthesis. See you next time.